Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Miata sound good. We'll start by understanding the core components that shape your car's acoustic signature. Then, we'll dive into specific aftermarket upgrades, focusing on exhaust systems and intake enhancements. Our goal is to guide you through a step-by-step process, ensuring you achieve a satisfying and refined sound for your Miata without any guesswork. Let's get started on transforming your driving experience. The exhaust system is where you'll find the biggest change in your Miata's sound. A catback system, replacing everything from the catalytic converter rearward, is a popular starting point. It typically offers a deeper, more aggressive tone. For an even more pronounced change, consider upgrading your headers. These can dramatically alter the engine's voice. Look for systems made from high-quality stainless steel for longevity and a consistent sound over many years of driving enjoyment. Beyond the exhaust, an upgraded intake system can significantly enhance your Miata's acoustic profile. A cold air intake, or CAI, typically draws cooler air from outside the engine bay, often adding a satisfying induction roar under acceleration. Alternatively, a short ram intake, or SRI, provides a more immediate and louder intake sound. Whichever you choose, ensure it includes proper heat shielding to maintain optimal air density and prevent heat soak, contributing to both sound and performance. Once you've selected your components, professional installation is highly recommended to ensure proper fitment and maximize sound quality. It's also crucial to be aware of local noise regulations, as some modifications might exceed legal limits. Before making any purchases, take time to listen to various sound clips and read reviews from other Miata owners. Ultimately, the goal is to achieve a sound that you personally love, balancing an aggressive tone with comfortable daily drivability for many miles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.